What's the most popular 3D printer product you've seen so far, and why do you think that is?
I think consumers are really looking for reliability when they choose a 3D printer. So some of the most popular 3D printers are classic things like MakerBot, but also Ultimaker and Zortrax as well are really coming to the forefront of the industry.
What's the biggest innovation in 3D printing this year?
I think it's extremely exciting what we've seen with HP and their multi-jet fusion technology, but also things like XJet as well coming to the market with liquid metal printing. I think that's really going to show some serious innovation in the market.
What about the clip technology?
Clip is really interesting as well. Its ability to print continuously is very exciting. We've seen Carbon engage in some serious partnerships with the likes of Ford and BMW as well, and the investment that they've generated is insane. So it's really exciting to see how far they go in the future.
Can you give us an insight or teaser of what's to come for next year?
I think the focus for next year will definitely be a lot more on metal 3D printing as well, in end-use parts. That will be really where a lot of the growth is coming for the industry, and that's where a lot of companies are really investing heavily.
3D printing enables you to print almost anything. What's the most bizarre or noteworthy thing you've seen so far?
I've seen some pretty crazy scans of people's faces, things like Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton 3D printed together. But I've also seen a 3D printed pinball machine here at the show.
Is there one 3D printing tip that you could give to the readers of all3dp.com?
I would say the most important tip I would give is look for a device which is really reliable, which is really going to last you a long time, which has cheap filament as well, so that it will last you plenty of time, and that you actually have a reason for using it, a real use case in your own home for using your 3D printer.
Good. Thanks a ton.
Thank you very much.